In today's video, I will walk you through how to use ink pen in Krita. Ink pen is a brush in Krita designed for creating clean, sharp, and smooth lines. It's a great choice for line art, outlines, and detailed drawings where you need clear and precise strokes. Open the brush preset stalker, search for ink pen, and select it. Start by creating your basic outlines with smooth, steady strokes. Use controlled movements to keep your lines clean and consistent. This brush works well for adding details, refining sketches, and creating finished line work. Adjust the brush size depending on the type of lines you want to create. Use smaller sizes for thin details, small features, and precise areas. Increase the size for thicker outlines and stronger line emphasis. You can use ink pen for creating clean illustrations, detailed artwork, and polished line drawings. Its smooth strokes make it useful for building clear shapes and defined edges. Ink pen is a great choice when you want accurate lines, sharp details, and a clean drawing style in Krita. And that's how to use ink pen in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.